Hi, this is Ankita from TrackOlap. In this video, I will give you an overview about the employee documents feature provided by TrackOlap. In today's business world, it's really important to manage the employee documents efficiently and securely for all the organizations of all the sizes. TrackOlap understands the need of maintaining the employee records that meet all the legal compliance and data security standards. So, TrackOlap provides the employee documents feature so that you can manage all the employee records at one place. So, let's start with the video. Under the HR module provided by TrackOlap, you can manage the employee documents. Let's go to the documents tab of the HR module. Here you can see all the employee documents submitted by the employee. But first of all, I will give you an overview about how these document types will be created by the HR or by the admin. So it is divided into the two tabs: employee documents and the document settings. The HR have to go to the document settings and first of all has to create the document folder. If any company wants to maintain the documents for the separate department wise or the separate team wise or any other document type wise, he can do so through our feature. Like I've created here the two types of folder. This is the tech team folder and the sales team folder. And after creating the folder, what I have to create is the document type, like what documents the HR want his employee to submit, like the Aadhaar card, PAN cards, the visa document, 10 certificate, 12 certificate, or any other type of document you can create through the employee documents feature. And after creating the document type, you can see all the documents type created under the pending on employee screen. You can see all the documents type created within the organizations and what document type is pending on how many employees. Like the PAN card document is pending on 20 employees, like there are 20 employees who are eligible to submit it. If you want to attach any separate department to it, you can also do so while creating the document type. And after that, you can see here the only one employee is there who have submitted this document, and still 19 employees, and still this document is pending on the 19 employees. After clicking on this document, you can see the list of all the employees who need to submit the document. If you want to send an alert, you can also do so. Alert will be sent on the employee's mail ID. And when employee submitted the documents, it will go under the verification tab. Here you can verify the documents submitted by the employees. Like right now there are total 3 documents pending on me to verify it. If I click on the document, I can approve or reject after analyzing all the details. All the approved documents will show under a separate tab, that is the verified documents tab, and all the rejected documents will show under the rejected documents tab. If any document is expired, then it will go under a separate tab, that is the expired documents tab. Here you can see all the documents that is submitted by the employee are expired, and from here you can also notify the employee to resubmit the documents. And you can also customize the email alert message. Like from here you can customize the message. This is the default message, and you can also customize it according to your requirements. And if you want to see the audit history, you can also do so, like when this document is submitted, when this document is verified, and when this document is resubmitted by the employees. We provide the employee documents feature on a TrackVic mobile app. Also, employee can submit the documents from the TrackVic mobile app, or if any document is rejected by the manager or any document is expired, he can resubmit or submit it through the mobile app, and manager can verify the documents from the web portal. So this is a complete overview of the employee document feature provided by TrackOlap. If you like the feature, then please book a free demo. The details is in the next slide or in the description box below. Thank you so much.